Hello and welcome back to DLZ Performance. Today we're going to show you Mercedes, my favourite car. I'm joking.
And I'm the camera holder. Yeah, welcome to our garage again. Today we're going to show you a strange noise, strange fault on Mercedes E-Class. Imagine, wake up at the morning and push the start button and you hear that noise. What you expected?
Bottom end knocking, top end, turbo.
And turn off please. Yeah. When you hear this noise from your car,
What would you expect it is? You'd expect it to be bottom end, top end, turbo. You'd be expecting pistons, like piston slap, something like that. But it's a strange one.
yeah.
Let me show you what it is. What do you think this problem is? Do you think it's bottom end, top end, turbo, piston slap, or what do you think it is? Just put it in comments and then I'll show you what it is.
Yeah, and we will show in video. I know, and you know. And let's see what was the problem.
The V-belt, half of it snapped off. As you can see, there's only three threads left.
Yeah.
And the rest of it is just slapping around engine bay.
Let's remove some stuff. That's enough.
That's not removed that one off.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, we fitted new V-belt and let's see. All good, bro.
I don't want to see this car again.
Yeah, I don't want to see it as well. So, Ivi, now we see diagnostic is most important thing in this job. What would you like to say?
Always get quotes from a couple of places. Because some people, they've said it's turbo, they've said
Just
it's
a minute.
fan.
Turn off the engine. Yeah, we are listening to you.
Right, this car's been to a couple of places and they've said it's crank, they've said it's bottom end, they've said it's turbo. It's best to find yourself a good mechanic. If you're local, you're more than welcome to come down.
Actually, it's not too hard to find this problem, but yeah, someone cannot see.
Unless you know what you're looking for, you won't find this fault. That's the problem. You have to do proper diagnostics when you're looking at vehicles. Some people don't, some people do. To be honest with you, we thought it was bottom end as well, or top end, because we fixed the injector on it. But before the injector, it was still making a noise. So we thought we'll have a look around. We'd listen to the turbo with the stethoscope. We listened to all the injectors. We thought the injector might be hitting it. They were all fine. And when we moved a couple of things about, we had a look. We saw what it was like. It's not hard to diagnose a car. It's just you have to look for it and spend time looking for it. If not, you can diagnose something wrong. It's easy as that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
To diagnostic means not just listen to the car,
Yeah.
and you should use your eyes as well.
Yeah. 100%. Looking, feeling.
And touch. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. See you in next video. Bye.